Hello, beautiful viewers. First of all, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers that subscribe to my channel. I am really happy that I can say that I reach number 100. Second of all, because of that, I invite one of my subscriber to free lesson. And when I email it to him, he replied right away that he would love to come and have a lesson with me. And here it is. Salvan, thanks.
Hi, Alex.
First of all, I want to say big thank you that you subscribe to my channel and you supporting my channel. And because of that, I would like to give you something back, a one free lesson on the highway or whatever you would like to do. So, couple questions before we start. How long have you have a license?
I had my license 7 months ago.
Perfect. And how you driving? How often you driving?
I feel confident while driving, but now I'm driving on the highway, and I don't know if I'm doing correctly or not. So I just want your opinion and your instruction to follow and see how it goes.
Great. So guys, as you can see, Salvan is trying to see if he is doing the right thing on the highway. I will help him. I will give him the instructions. Okay, Salvan? I want you to drive like you're driving every day. You don't have to think that I'm in the car. The only thing that I'm asking you to do when we're gonna drive is just to follow the instructions when you're gonna be on the highway. Guys, we will do lane changes. We will do entering and exiting from the highway. We're going to do a highway 401. So let's get started. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go.
Let's go.
So guys, now we're gonna enter into the 401 West. Are you ready, Salvan?
I'm ready.
Very good. You're so relaxed. I like that. That's amazing. How often are you driving on the highway?
A lot of times.
A lot of times. So you feel comfortable, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We'll see now. And change the lane to the right. And we're gonna hit 401 West. On the speed. On this side, guys, we have merge. So what we have to be doing properly here, we have to accelerate and merge into the highway. And this is the yellow sign that it shows that we are now merging. Very nice, Salvan. Keep on going with the speed. What's the speed limit here? It's 100. Let's go. When it's safe, change the lane to the left. What's the first thing when you're changing the lanes you're doing?
Checking the blind spot.
The rear view mirror, right? Then the shoulder, then you're moving. Change the lane to the right. Was clear, right?
Yes.
Nice. Change the lane to the left. Nice and smooth. Guys, so on the test, when you're going for a G road test, the examiner will ask you the same thing that what Salvan is doing right now. He will ask you to change the lane left and right. Make sure that when you do that, it's completely safe. Let me show your speed now. So just watch your speed. You're going a little bit above. So make sure that you are trying to go 100, 105. That's ideal. When it's safe, change the lane to the left. Okay. Keep your eyes on the speed. Okay, now Now we are on the highway 401 going west. When it's safe, change the lane to the right. And again, change the lane to the right. There was a car coming, guys, and Salvan just waits patiently until the car passes, and he changed his lane very safely and smooth. How is the feeling that somebody is telling you what to do? It's a little bit strange, right?
Yeah.
But you gonna go soon to get your G license, and that's exactly what you have to feel. Just be yourself, make sure everything is safe, and you will do it. So now let's do one more lane change to the left. Great job, Salvan, great job. I'm just gonna show you guys the rear view mirror. If you can see, it's gonna be hard because my phone is on the way. We're gonna change the lane to the right. So I'm gonna just show the side mirror. And look at that, the blind spot was the car and Salvan didn't do nothing. Great job. I just wanna see how you do it when it's so safe to do. And you did it. Nice. Guys, as you can see that I was trying to show you that there was a car. It was hard to see in the rear view mirror, but the side mirror shows that there was a car, and also checking the blind spot, it's helping a lot. When it's safe, change the lane to the right. Don't forget to put the signal.
You mean to the left?
And now let's change the lane one more time to the left. Let's change the lane to the right. Salvan, very nice. You need to be proud of yourself.
Thank you, Alex.
That was so smooth. Now, the key is on the highway to make sure that you're keeping the distance. So when you see that you're getting too close, ease on the gas so the car will not get closer to the car in front of you. And get ready. This is speed is 100. If you slam the brake, it's not gonna be easy stop. When it's safe, change the lane to the right. We're exiting on Avenue Road. You don't have to put the signal because you're already on the lane, so you just stay in the same lane. And on the traffic light, we're gonna make a left turn. Look at that truck, is too close to the line. See that? Oops, a little bit bumpy. So stay on this lane, and on the traffic light, you're gonna make a left turn. Lane to your lane, there we go. That's it. And let's exit one more time on 401 East. Look at that ramp. You see, it shows that you have to be dropping the speed to 30. That was 100. So we're gonna exit on Young Street, and that's gonna be the end of our lesson on the highway. Let's do one more lane change to the left. Keep the car on this lane, and we're gonna exit from here. See how the traffic suddenly start to slow down? That's when we have to pay attention. Exit on Young Street. Great job, Salvan. Very nice. Guys, so we just did a couple exits on 401. We just entered into the 401. Salvan did a great job. He changed the lane safely. There was a car in the blind spot. He saw it. Very good. I'm very happy with that. You can drive safely on the highway. And of course, soon when your test comes, you will come back to me. We will just practice a little bit more just to feel more comfortable, and you will ready to go. So guys, I would like to say thank you to Salvan for coming and having a lesson with me. Also, I would like to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I hit the 100. The next step is 1,000. And you can help me, guys, to reach that. Also, if you're new in this channel, please hit that subscribe button and destroy the like button. I hope to see you soon, and let's be safe on the road. Thanks for watching.